Right, so I've done some hot sauce, really hot sauce on some bread, and hopefully the fuckers. I don't think you like that one. Go and eat some more then. Yeah, mate. Go and eat it, you fucker.
Yeah.
Is that a bit spicy for you?
That one's got two!
Go on, eat the rest, go on.
Look how he's like casually.
He's looking out for.
Where's the bastard too? He's
There's
looking
another
out for
pickup
you.
by the side of my car. He's gonna. That's what he's going for. Yes, he is. He's breaking it down, isn't he, to make it easier. Look. That magpie just fucking had it.
Oh, look at
That's a quail, that is.
No, it's not, it's a baby seagull.
That's what I meant.
He's like, I'll show you how to do his thumb.
He didn't even fucking bat an eyelid.
He wanted to bring it up then, didn't he?